So if you want to be a leader, you want to be a person of influence, whether it's worldwide or whether it's going to be niched down. You want to be a person who is getting others to act. That's what leadership is. So think about this. If your leadership is really high, leadership over here, but your communication is really low, here's what happens to your leadership. It goes down. Your perceived effectiveness goes down. Again and again and again, people who can lead and influence and get things done, if they don't have the matching communication, if they can't speak with confidence, if they can't speak with authority, if they can't speak with power, if they can't speak in any of this area, it brings it down. To stand confidently in front of people, to present, to take your leadership and your influence and get it out there, there are three sources that are going to give you confidence. The third one is your skills. Now, the second leg right here is your messaging. And then your identity. Identity is everything that you think of yourself when you're on stage. A lot of people, their identity off stage is secure, but their identity on stage, when they're in front, when they're presenting, when the heat is on, when the pressure is there, they start falling apart. If I were asked, what is the number one thing, and I have been asked this before, what is the number one thing that every communicator needs to learn? I have answered, I would answer, and I will answer, pause. Pause allows you to think, pause allows you to breathe so you can project, and pause allows the audience to process what you're thinking. How is it that we can have people who really have a great ability to do something, and then when they can speak it like Lincoln, how is it that we can be more like that? Not like Lincoln, but learn the principles that he implemented. We too can have sources of confidence. So when you're looking at your next communication piece, go back, and if there's any stress, if there's any worry, find out what part is the worry in and what part would make the worry go away.